How your car keeps harmful emissions in check? It's all thanks to a small but powerful device called the catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is located in the exhaust system and contains a honeycomb structure coated with precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. These metals act as catalysts, hence the name, triggering chemical reactions that help convert harmful gases into less harmful ones before they leave your car's exhaust. So, how does it work? When your engine burns fuel, it produces harmful gases like carbon monoxide, CO, hydrocarbons, HC, and nitrogen oxides, NOx. As these gases pass through the catalytic converter, chemical reactions occur. These reactions break down the harmful gases, turning them into safer emissions like carbon dioxide, CO2, and water vapor. Without a working catalytic converter, your car would release these harmful gases directly into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and smog. That's why catalytic converters are so important. They help protect the environment and keep our air cleaner by reducing toxic emissions. So the next time you think about your car's emissions, remember, your catalytic converter is doing the hard work to keep the air cleaner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tips.